Now it's time for the Intense 5. Let's go. Enough big up to Mr. Vegas on getting his degree in sociology and hospitality management. And of course, we have to mention his 3.9 GPA, okay? Heads high, kill them with it now. Good job, Mr. Vegas. Well, Jamaica had its own royal wedding on the weekend. Influencer Shanzi and her promoter Boo Nino tied the knot in a real fairy tale wedding and made the live link to the wedding available to their fans for a small fee. Congrats, guys! So, Diddy announces that he has a brand new baby girl called Love. Of course, everyone is like, huh? Who's the mommy? Well, you know, said TMZ did dig down that birth certificate and released the info. So, all we gotta say is congrats to Dana and Diddy. Baby pretty though. Kraft is definitely counting his lucky stars after being involved in a serious car accident over the weekend. The car flipped, but luckily no one was seriously injured. Speedy recovery, Kraft. And finally holding the spot this week. Boy, Megan, I don't know, like your story regarding the shooting all over the place. So she admitted she lied to the police at the time of the shooting because she doesn't trust the police. Then she said she didn't know where her friend Leslie was during the shooting, but saw her coming to her after she was shot. I don't know. I hope she settles down and, works out things with her lawyers to get her story straight. Of course, we'll keep you in the know. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Lots more happening, and all you have to do is follow us at TVJ Intense on IG.